Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I'm here for a very quick video because I'm no longer allowed to talk about this topic on YouTube. So part of the reason for this video is to let you know of this video that I just shot that's going up on Rumble this same day. So make sure that you go down to the description box down below and find my Rumble channel link. And if you're seeing this the same day it published, the video I'm talking about should be at the top, but you might just want to scroll down and you'll know because you'll see the picture of these things on the thumbnail. So that's part of the reason why I'm putting this out on YouTube, is just to let you know that this video is going up and it's about how to make this particular substance. And here's a hint, it involves these things right here. And I have several more videos on that I had to take off of YouTube and move over there because now it is a banned topic, which is so silly because it is something hospitals still to this day use. I get it because, you know, you don't want people curing their own selves of anything, you know, because people lose money when you do that. But the other thing I wanted to bring up while I'm here talking about this is that I've had a couple of people reprimand me for removing my videos preemptively and putting them on Rumble and saying that I should be standing and fighting. It's like, well, I am standing and fighting. And my way of doing that is to be able to keep all the rest of my 7 years of hard work and other videos that for now that are still allowed to be here on YouTube for those who don't have access to Rumble. And I'm gonna fight to try to keep it here for as long as possible. But what some people don't understand is that if you wait for YouTube to remove a video that they suddenly out of the blue deemed was unfit, then you can get a strike on your channel, and then eventually they will just take your channel down altogether. And that means everything comes down. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in the extra work because yes, this is extra work. So right now I'm shooting 2 separate videos and having to do 2 separate edits so I can put this video on YouTube and then put the actual instructional video over on Rumble so people know where to find it. And that is twice as much work for me to do that. So to tell me I'm not taking a stand or I'm wimping out or whatever, I'm actually putting in even more work. So you take your stand in your way, I'll take mine in my way. And just remember, all this information, everything I put out is still free to anyone. Rumble I do not have any special pay-per-view places on Rumble, YouTube. I don't have any special clubs. I have Patreon, but even that, even though some people choose to donate, everything there is open and free. I have nothing locked down where people have to pay for to be able to view the information I have on there, because I want all of this information out there where everybody can get it and not have to pay for it, because I know a lot of people simply cannot afford to do that. So even though I have Patreon, it is still free. I have nothing locked down. And as far as Rumble goes, for those of you who are in France or maybe even any other countries where Rumble is blocked, well, what some people have said that they do is they just use their VPN, and you might want to get a VPN. There's a lot, though I have one that's called Surfshark that's free. I'm not paying anything for it. My son set it up for me. And you can use your VPN and then route it through a different country. So if you're in France, route it through Canada, because that's where Rumble is based. Route it through the US or any other country where Rumble is allowed, and you should be able to view your Rumble videos, because that's what several from France have told me. So, and if there's any other countries doing that, try that, see if it works for you. So, and if you don't have a VPN, there's several out there that you can get that don't cost anything. Some of them, you know, to get a lot of other extra features, yeah, you have to pay for, but mine's free. I haven't had to pay a dime for it. So, and I've had it for at least a good year now. But anyway, I just want to put that out there. So don't forget to go check out my Rumble channel and learn some more, and subscribe to me there too. And thanks for all those who are following me there now. I don't get to get in and interact as much on Rumble just because of time. But eventually, if my channel here does go away, that's going to be the main source. I do have a couple other backup channels set up, And BitChute's the only other one I've uploaded a couple videos to, but I just can't quite figure that out and don't have time to figure out how I get paid to have my videos up there where nobody else has to pay. So, you don't have to pay to watch the content, because I won't do that if I have to force people to pay for it. I just won't do it. Anyway, just want to let you know that, and eventually down the road, if my YouTube channel does go away, I will figure out another place to go on top of Rumble so I can still have a second outlet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.